My name is Wes Dixon. I'm Vice President and Director of Sales for Key West Technology Digital Signage. We've been around for about 12 years. That makes us one of the oldsters in the digital signage game. We came from two sets of roots. One is in broadcast video, the other was in gathering electronic data and templating that into the video stream. So today we have actually three products that we service with four markets. The four markets that we represent are hospitality, corporate, community, and what we call specialty. It's museums, touchscreens, that sort of thing. And within those groups, for hospitality, for example, with hotels, it's all about food and beverage. So we allow them to do digital signage in the lobby to push the bars and the restaurants. We also have ties with their event or facilities management software programs to allow them to program the screens outside each meeting room to say who has the room for how long and what time, thereby automating that process rather than having somebody print out and run a piece of paper out to a plastic frame near a door. It happens automatically. Also in elevators, nothing worse than seeing bacon and eggs, or well, maybe in the middle of the night or dinner time, steaks can replace eggs in the breakfast if you've got the capability on an electronic screen. On campuses, whether it's corporate or educational, there are several uses for digital signage. In a corporation, for example, you have one out in the lobby, you'd have another channel in the break room or cafeteria, and maybe some more spread throughout the production floor if it's a manufacturing plant. We have a lot of companies that do that. It's all centrally managed. You create, edit, schedule, and then deliver the media files and the instruction sets from a creation computer across your network to the individual players. So they can all be showing the same thing, or they can each be showing their own discrete, different content. Digital signage can be very helpful. It's very attuned to human biology. Movement is the key to human biology, and the eyes, your eyes can't help but go to movement. So that's what digital signage can do, along with scheduling the media for the appropriate times. The third one is community television. Essentially, your school district, your township, your city, they might have a channel on the local cable system to keep the community appraised of events and parades, what have you, softball tournaments, that sort of thing. But also who to call for certain things at City Hall, city clerk, the fire, the police, the schools, how to do things, hours of operation, library, that sort of thing. And then the fourth is actually the most fun. That's when we get to do museums and special application with, well, we have also a touchscreen application as well as traditional digital signage. So you can actually have an individual path through for wayfinding, for point of purchase, any number of ways of using proximity or motion detection or barcode scanners, that sort of thing, along with digital signage. Those are actually the fun ones. Three pieces of software. One has a standard digital signage format, 4 zones in a background. We have the i3, that's called Media Zone. i3 is our touchscreen application, and then we have an overall management program that we call Info Zone, which you can manage the entire system from your iPhone, from your iPad, from your laptop, from your whatever browser you want to use it. We have 3 questions that we ask. What would you like to see on the screen? What do you hope to accomplish with what you're putting on the screen? And then who's going to run it? If you can answer those questions,